ElectraCast.
This episode is brought to you by Indeed. When your computer breaks, you don't wait for it to magically start working again. You fix the problem. So why wait to hire the people your company desperately needs? Use Indeed's sponsored jobs to hire top talent fast. And even better, you only pay for results. There's no need to wait. Speed up your hiring with a $75 sponsored job credit at Indeed.com/podcast. Terms and conditions apply.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for July 11th, 2025.
Today, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has captured a detailed image of Abell 209, a massive galaxy cluster about 2.8 billion light-years away in the constellation Cetus. This cluster contains over 100 galaxies separated by hot gas and dominated by dark matter. Scientists use gravitational lensing, the bending of light from distant galaxies by the cluster's gravity, to map the dark matter, helping to understand the universe's structure and dark energy. Later this summer, NASA will launch the SpaceX Crew 11 mission, sending 4 international astronauts to the International Space Station. They will study health challenges of deep space travel, including simulated moon landings, vision changes caused by fluid shifts in microgravity, the effects of B vitamin supplements, and exercise needs. The mission supports preparing astronauts for future trips to the moon and Mars. NASA and Japan's Aerospace Exploration Agency recently tested a scale model of the X-59 experimental aircraft in a supersonic wind tunnel in Japan. The X-59 is designed to fly faster than sound while producing a quiet sonic thump instead of a loud boom. This test helped scientists understand how sound waves from the aircraft will be heard on the ground, guiding future quiet supersonic aircraft designs. NASA also launched new web pages for its heliophysics drive science centers. These centers focus on studying the sun's effects on the solar system by developing advanced models to predict space weather, solar storms, and their impacts on Earth and space missions. On July 14th, NASA will provide live coverage of the private astronaut crew from Axiom Mission 4 departing the International Space Station. The crew includes astronauts from the United States, India, Poland, and Hungary. They will return after a 2-week mission that involved over 60 scientific experiments. NASA astronaut Shannon Walker retired on July 10th after a 38-year career. She flew 2 space missions, spending 330 days in orbit, and was the first woman to fly aboard a Dragon spacecraft. Walker also served as deputy chief of the astronaut office, helping train new astronauts. Finally, on the 60th anniversary of Mariner 4's historic close-up images of Mars, NASA highlights advancements in Mars exploration imaging. From the Viking landers to rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, and the Ingenuity helicopter's aerial photos, these missions have expanded our understanding of the Red Planet. Those were the key activities for NASA on July 11th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Saleil, I Say.
I'm Iris, host of Or Whatever Movies and the forthcoming Powers of Darkness podcast. For the better part of a decade, we've been unraveling a literary mystery that begins with a strange version of Dracula. Yes, that Dracula. It's a different story, imbued with a potentially insidious agenda. What we've already found so far reshapes what we thought we knew, but the investigation isn't over. Support our efforts to finish what we've started and bring the full story to light. Go now to Kickstarter.com and search up Powers of Darkness to learn more. Coming soon on ElectraCast, wherever you listen to podcasts. ElectraCast. ElectraCast.